Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Krutika, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in Department of Electronics and Communication. Today I am here to discuss you about CSMA. CSMA stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access. Now let us see introduction about CSMA. As I told, CSMA stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access. It is a protocol used in network communications to control access to a shared medium. CSMA helps in minimizing collisions between devices trying to access the medium simultaneously. Now let us see some basic principles of CSMA. Devices using CSMA listen to the medium before transmitting data. If the medium is found to be idle, the device proceeds with transmission. Idle is nothing but the channel is not busy. If the medium is found to be busy, the device waits for a random period before attempting transmission again. CSMA-CD. CSMA-CD, which stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access with Collision Detection, is an extension of CSMA. It allows devices to detect collisions while transmitting. When a collision is detected, devices involved in the collision stop transmitting and wait for a random period before retrying. Here we can see a CSMA-CD process. First, station listens for an activity. If there is no activity, then it transmits, and then the collision is detected, then it stops transmitting. If there is no collision, then it transmits completely. CSMA-CA. CSMA-CA, which stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access with Collision Avoidance, is another extension of CSMA. It is commonly used in wireless networks where collision detection is not always possible. CSMA-CA uses a predefined mechanism to avoid collisions, such as request to send and clear to send process. Advantages of CSMA. CSMA is a simple and widely used access control protocol. It allows multiple devices to share a common medium efficiently. CSMA is suitable for networks with relatively low traffic. Disadvantages of CSMA. CSMA is not suitable for networks with high traffic or large number of devices. Collisions can still occur in CSMA, leading to retransmissions and decreased network performance. CSMA does not prioritize different devices or traffic types, which can lead to inefficient bandwidth utilization. CSMA CD in Ethernet. Ethernet is nothing but a system used to connect number of computers to form a local network. So, Ethernet networks commonly use CSMA CD as the access control protocol. CSMA CD helped Ethernet become a widely adopted standard for local area networks. In Ethernet, devices detect collisions by monitoring the line for simultaneous transmissions. CSMA-CA in Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi networks use CSMA-CA as the access control protocol. CSMA-CA in Wi-Fi includes additional mechanisms to handle hidden node and exposed node problems. CSMA-CA in Wi-Fi helps in reducing collisions and improving network performance. So, when we use CSMA-CA in Wi-Fi instead of CSMA or CSMA-CD, it helps us to improve the network performance. CSMA with binary exponential backoff. CSMA protocols often use a binary exponential backoff algorithm to determine a random waiting period. The backoff algorithm increases the waiting period exponentially after each collision. This helps in reducing the probability of repeated collisions and improves overall network efficiency. Let us see CSMA with collision avoidance mechanisms. CSMA protocols with collision avoidance mechanisms such as CSMA-CA prioritize medium access based on certain rules or parameters. These mechanisms help in reducing collisions and improving fairness in accessing the medium. That means it helps to improve the medium. And collision avoidance mechanisms are particularly important in wireless networks where collision detection is challenging. CSMA and Ethernet performance. CSMA-CD in Ethernet networks allows for efficient utilization of the available bandwidth. However, as the number of devices or network traffic increases, collisions can occur more frequently, leading to decreased performance. To mitigate this, Ethernet networks often implement mechanisms like switch-based forwarding to reduce collisions. CSMA and Wi-Fi performance. CSMA-CA in Wi-Fi networks helps in reducing collisions and improving network performance. However, Wi-Fi networks can still experience performance degradation due to factors like interference and congestion. Wi-Fi networks often implement techniques like channel bonding and beamforming to improve performance. So here CSMA helps in Wi-Fi performance. CSMA versus TDMA and FDMA. As we know, CSMA stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access is a contention-based access control protocol, whereas TDMA stands for Time Division Multiple Access and FDMA stands for Frequency Division Multiple Access or reservation-based protocols. In TDMA, each device is allocated a specific time slot for transmission, while in FDMA, each device is allocated with a specific frequency band. So here main difference is in FDMA, it is allotted with frequency and in TDMA, it is allotted with time slot. And CSMA allows for flexible sharing of the medium but can lead to collisions, while TDMA and FDMA provide dedicated access but may result in underutilized resources. Applications of CSMA. CSMA is widely used in Ethernet networks for local area networking. It is also used in Wi-Fi networks for wireless communication. CSMA can be applied in various other network protocols and technologies that require shared medium access. So the main application of CSMA is we use that CSMA in Wi-Fi networks. Conclusion. So now let us discuss about conclusion. CSMA is a fundamental access control protocol used in network communications. It allows multiple devices to share a common medium efficiently. CSMA has different variations such as CSMA-CD and CSMA-CA, each suited for specific network environments. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.